and we are going to talk about the investment planning. What is the investment planning? Investment planning is the process of identifying financial goals and converting from through building a plan. Investment planning is the main component of financial planning. The investment planning begins with identification of goals and objectives. Then we need to match those goals with our available financial resources. Nowadays, there are many investment vehicles to invest in, most common being cash, equity, bonds, and property. So according to the funds available, we can invest in these vehicles to obtain our goals and objectives. Benefit of the investment planning. What is the benefits of investments? Because everyone should start early investment, you make the benefit. Whenever you get the first of your salary, you should start the investments. The first benefit of investment is family security. For investment purpose, you can make your family secure. There are a lot of schemes available for your families and investment purpose. But what is my suggestion is you take one term policy equal to or more than 4 times of your liabilities. One term policy and one health policy. It is very advisable because your investment should be made in different portfolio, not in a one bucket. You should invest in your different portfolio. Most of time what happens, due to some emotional and your relatives is the agents, they are selling you some products. This is not advisable. For family security, you always take one term policies. It is more than 4 times of your liability. If your loan liability is 50 lakh, you have to take 2 crores term policy. And if you are having a family of 4 persons, you can take mediclaim policy of 5 lakh rupees. This is what is my advisable for a family security. You can efficiently manage your income for investing your savings. Financial understanding. One should know the financial understanding for investment purpose. Thank you. Savings. Savings should be made in different portfolio because if you are doing a one portfolio, risk is always high. And if you start early investment, if your age is 24, 25, and before that you can start investment. Investing in early, you can gain more and more profit in futures. Standard of living. While investing, you can enjoy your standard of living because there are a lot of savings you will get the at the time of retirements and you during your life journey. Objective of investment planning. The objective of investment planning are safety of your family, as we discussed, generate greater income. If you are starting early income, early investment, you'll get the greater income in future. Growth of your capital. Whatever your investment of your capital, that will be growth. If you are start early investments, growth of capital, tax minimization. Most of people's investing for the tax purpose. Sometimes what happens if you are going for other like LIC and all these things, what we suggest you pay tax and you don't go for a more investment. If your investment is 1,50,000 from this year, they are given the options whether you go for investment, otherwise you go for a higher tax brackets. Those who are not ready to investment, they can get the benefit of 5 lakh rupees. Government is taken the decisions. The liquidity should not be block of the salary holders. They want to remove all deduction in futures because most of them what they are showing, sometimes they are only saying my investment is 1,50,000, but that is not, they are not invested at all. Due to this, the government from this year they are changed the system. If you want to get the benefit of ATC deduction and housing loan benefits, your tax bracket will be 2,50,000. If you don't want to take the deductions of ATC and other housing benefits, you are up to 5 lakh, there is no any taxation. So you don't emotionally investing in taxation purpose. You have to think You can pay the taxes, but don't lose your investment purpose. That is what is my advisability. And liquidity part, wherever you invested, you have to think of the liquidity, because sometimes emergency fund is required. So you have to make the emergency fund also. Whatever you are earning every month, you have to make the saving 20% every month. It is very good, because if in future you will get the benefit of this. Liquidity is very important, like fixed deposits you can get immediately. So you have to make some liquidity part for your future benefits also, whatever emergency funds. How to create a solid investment plan? Find when and how much you are saving. Set your financial goal for retirement purpose. You have to think for your retirement. If you want to go for retirement at the age of 60, you have to make the planning at the earliest for a retirement benefit plan. For child education, if you're having a child, you have to make the planning for their education. But due to this, because nowadays education is very high cost, so that you make the planning from the beginning for your child education by taking the proper, because there are a lot of policies also in there. Wherever your child grow and there for higher education, you will get the amounts. You have to make that investment also. It is very good investment. For child marriage, you have to make the planning for child marriage. If you want to spend more for your children marriage, you have to make the planning for that. For buying a house, you have to make the planning, because most of you, what you are doing, if you are earning 50,000 rupees, most of their what they are doing, they're at least 80% of their salary they are paying the EMI. It is not advisable. What we advise for purchasing the housing loan, you have to think at least 50% should be your saving. If you are taking loan of 80% and 90%, your whole life will be you are working for the bank, not for your purpose. So you have always think for buying the house, what is the inflation cost and what taxation benefit we are getting and how much EMI we are paying. If you are suppose 50 lakhs, if you are purchasing a home and you are taking a loan of 40 lakh rupees, your EMI will be 40,000 rupees. This is very high EMI, because if you are take 2 BHK flat on a rent, you are paying the rent of rupees 15,000, but you are paying EMI 40,000 rupees. That is advisable. You go for a rent if you are taking 80% of your housing loan. It is not advisable. You have to take it only 50% of your own contribution and 50% of loan. That will be matching it your inflations and all these things. Nowadays there is no inflation at all, because due to this now in situation, there is no inflation benefit you are not getting. If in case of house, we are if you are purchasing in 2005-6, now it is more than 200 times the rate will be higher. But in this situation, the inflation is also very low. So if you are purchasing the house, before that you have to think twice. If you are having a 50% saving, then only go for a purchasing the house. Otherwise, it is not advisable, because you are paying 40,000 EMI, and it is almost whatever you are getting the loan, you are paying after 20 years, 15 years, you are almost double of your house value you are paying for the bank. So it is advisable. You should be always make the low EMI, and you have to make repayment within a 5 years. You make the planning. Even if you are taking a loan of loan for 15 years, 20 years, it is not advisable. You at least make the payment within, make the planning for repayment of your all home within a 5 years. Then only you get the benefit of whatever you purchase the house. Otherwise, you are losing. You are only paying the interest. For creating emergency fund, we have to make some liquidity part for your emergency fund. It is already discussed. And analyze your risk taking ability, because once you are in a young, you can take the more risk. You can invest in your shares. You can do the trading activity, all these things. Once your family responsibilities increase, you have to make your risk minimizations, because due to your age factors and your family burdens, it is very difficult for you to take the risk. So you have to play always in the safer, whatever you feel fixed income, you go for a fixed income portfolio rather than taking the risk like trading of shares and all these things. So you have to analyze your risk taking capacity. Create a saving portfolio. You have to make more saving portfolio like RD, mutual funds, and FD, and even some in real estate. Like this, you have to create savings portfolio in different buckets. Learn about all investment plans. You have to take a professional advice for investment plans. You don't use your minds, because not everyone perfect in their own profession. So you have to take the advice all related professional advice in investment planning also. You are mastering your profession, but you're not mastering in all other knowledge, so that you have to take the professional advice. Calculate your asset allocations and know how to build your portfolio. Maintain a personal balance sheet. You have to maintain your personal balance sheet. Manage your debt wisely. Platform for investment plans. Mutual funds. Mutual funds subject to market risk. You have it is they are telling very fast, so that you have to careful investing in mutual fund. You have to analyze and you have to take the correct decision. Mutual fund nowadays it is very good investment if you are using for SIPs, because in mutual funds you no need to apply your mind. If you are having no time to analyze your investment, you do for mutual fund, because there is a asset management company. They are taking money from you and they are managing your funds through investing in good debt or equities, and they are giving returns to around 10 to 15%. They are giving the mutual fund. In case of mutual fund, there is no need to apply your mind for any application. You no need to understand the market strategy. A mutual fund is very good for investment if you are don't want to take any risk. Direct equity, you can also go for direct purchasing of shares by opening your demat accounts. This requires the professional guidance, and you have to understand market also. This is sometimes very risky, because I'm observed for many 14 to 15 years, for those who are investment in shares, they got 90% they are facing the losses. So it is market study is very important, because it's very fluctuations. It is change from time to time. This analysis is very critical to understand the market strategy. So one should take risk if you want to do the equity. Sometimes it may be good if you are go for a long-term investments. That is, equity is very good options. Real estate investment, you can go for real estate investments. Nowadays, real estate investment is very good options in COVID, because almost 20% of flat values and real estate value is going down, and also stamp duty also given exemption in Maharashtra. And third benefit is the rate of interest is very low as compared to last 40 years. Such type of rate of interest we are not observed. So one should, if you want to invest, this is very right time if you're having your own money. And what is my suggestion? You only purchase the ready possessions property, because you cannot go for a under construction property due to this risky factor. This is only totally my advice. Ultimately you have to study your market also, but what is my suggestion is, if you want to go for investment, you always take the ready possessions in these situations, because already government extended the RERA registrations by 1 to 2 years, because that benefit also builder can take. You get the late possession, so your investment and your possession will be get delayed. So if you want to invest, you have to invest in the ready possession property. And this is very good opportunity you cannot get in the life, because you are getting housing loan interest benefit, and market you they are already giving the discount of 20% and 30%, and stamp duty also get reduced. It is very good options for real estate investments, subject to if you are having your own money, and if you are take a ready possession. Gold investments. Gold investment now its rate is very high. Gold investments also government given some cap for investments. So gold investment is also do for some portfolio, but it's not advisable you do more in gold investment, because market is also very flexible in gold, and some advising rate will be coming down, some advising rate will be high, so that you don't take more risk in the gold investment. But you have to invest some in gold also. There is a SIP system. You can invest small amount every month in gold also. This is very good option. Post office saving scheme, it's very good scheme. You are getting 8 to 9% RD if you want to invest in say a post saving scheme. Sukanya scheme also getting the tax benefits. This is the post it is always my advisable, and I am also investing in post, because it's very good investments. You will get the after 5 years you get some amounts. It's also one of the best investment in post, and it is secured. Fixed deposits, now it is not advisable, because you are getting only 5 to 10% of fixed deposits. Rate of interest is 5 to 6%. But for liquidity purpose, you have to keep some amount in fixed deposit also. But most of them you are not aware about the fixed deposit. If you are keeping in your bank fixed deposit, you are thinking you are already secured. But bank maximum 5 lakh rupees per deposit holder they can give. Something goes wrong, so that you have to make FD also in nationalized bank, that too in different bank. What is my advice? You cannot keep in one bank. In such a situations, you have to make in more than one banks keep the FD, because one bank can give one FD holder maximum 5 lakh rupees. Previously it is 1 lakh rupees. Now maximum 5 lakh rupees bank can provide you the insurance of fixed deposit. So what I advise, you have to 2 3 banks you can keep the FD instead of keeping in one bank. And also cooperative societies, and you can use any good bank. Cooperative society, some you are facing the risk factors and you are getting the interest. It is subject to how you are investing, how you are planning. Bonds, you are having some government bonds, there are some infrastructure bonds, and they are giving good return of, and you are also getting the tax benefit also. Senior citizen saving, if you are having a more than 60 years, you are also getting the good return on income. RBI taxable bonds also, you will get the good returns. And NPS, National Pension Scheme, you are getting the tax benefit as well as good return on this NPS also. Asset purchase with hope that will generate the income or will appreciate in the future. How to invest wisely? Invest surplus in the business wisely with an aim to diversify your portfolio. You should not invest in one portfolio. You can invest many in different portfolio, as we are discussed in above. Invest as per goals as follows: short term goals and long term goals. You decide the what is your short term goals and long term goal. In case of short term goal, purchase of car, machinery, factory shed, flat, etc. It include business as well as personal investment. For long term purpose, children education, children marriage, and retirement benefit, etc. Be careful investing in LIC. Don't be emotional. One term policy and one health policy is always advisable. What we discussed, you don't go for emotional. He or she is our relatives or agent is my relative, so I want to go investment. You don't do this, because you have to understand the policies when you make the investment. Very dangerous. Most of the what I observe, clients, they are losing only due to emotional part, because she is my relatives, he is my relatives, I want to invest. But be careful, you are the responsible of your money, so that you take the decision your own and don't be emotional while investing. You have to take a proper professional advice to invest before any policies or other things. What is the general rules of investment? The investment must always done surplus. सरप्लस का जो भी आपका पैसा रहते हैं उसके लिए आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है. ज्यादा अपने उसमें आपको पार्ट करना है, अपने को रेगुलर एक्सपेंसेस के लिए कितना पैसे लगेगा. और सरप्लस इज जनरली व्हाट वी सजेस्ट इज 20% एटलीस्ट यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इन योर portfolio, whatever you are earning per month. That is very good habits to invest. Short-term fund like CC should not use the long-term like term loan. You have to use CC for the operating expenses. Most of the businessmen, what they are doing, CC was used for purchasing of machinery. Like this is not advisable. Wherever you find the long-term purpose, you have to use only long-term fund for long-term purpose. Most of them, they are getting the cash credit and that using in the purchase of machinery or some other fixed assets. It is not advisable, because bank also not allowed to use it, but you have to also, as a business owner, it is our responsibility, you should not use, because it is your working capital will be hampered if you are investing cash credit in purchasing the machinery and all these things. Business cash, never use the risky investment in assets. So if you are having a surplus cash of in your current accounts of say 1 crore rupees, you should not use that 1 crore for purchasing like shares and risky assets. You have to use part amounts, and part amount only you keep for your operating and running the business. Derivatives like future options are not invested in financial assets. This type of risky assets you should not be invest your operating balance. Any queries related to this, we will discuss. Quote of the day: rule number 1, never lose money. And rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. So the ultimately never lose your money, because your hard earned money you should not lose in anywhere. If you have any queries related to investment, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the question. yourself and you can ask the question. I allowed you to unmute. You can unmute and
Hello.
yes, sir.
Sir, can you just brief about NPS?
National pension scheme, sir. It's a pension scheme. When you got the retirement,
Yeah.
you get the benefit of that, and you are getting additional 50,000 of tax benefit also.
So this money, if we invest now, we are going to get this money after retirement only?
Yeah, yeah. You are getting like a pension.
But whatever investment is there, we are going to get a fixed interest on this?
You are getting a pension, sir. You are getting a pension. It's a total pension scheme.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
So my query is the stamp duty of home loan has been decreased.
Yes.
So whether it is the right time to invest in the properties?
Yeah, just I explain about this. I think you are joined late. This is very good time because we are having totally 3 opportunities. One is stamp duty. Another one, builder already started giving discount about 20 to 30%. And third one is rate of interest is very low as compared it is not. It is more than 40 years this type of rate of interest we got. Yeah, this is very right time. Only what I suggest is you have to purchase the ready possession property instead of investing in under construction, because it is very risky to get the possession. It's late. You can get the late possession.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Please.
Sir, is it wise? Means it is advisable to invest in land or plot. Which property it's okay, ready possession.
Sir, investment in land is sometimes it is a very risky factor. You study the location where you are investing, and you check the document also, because in most of the cases in land there is a litigations also. You have to take proper lawyer advice before investing, and you study the location where you are investing. What is it?
Sir,
Hello.
Sir, you told that there are you are investing in post.
Yeah.
Just now.
Yeah.
So which kind of investment you are doing in post actually?
Sir, RD is also best option, and Sukanya for if you are having a daughter, you can invest for Sukanya scheme also. You are getting the tax benefit also.
Hello.
Yeah. Any queries?
Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Sir, I wanted to know the benefits of ATG.
ATG.
ATG, 12AC and ATG.
ATG is the for donation, madam.
And so, what are the benefits if we give donation?
Yeah.
So, what are the benefits that particular person gets through ATG?
If you are giving a donation of 50,000 rupees, you'll get the
Yes.
25,000 rupees deducted from your income, not tax. If you are
Okay.
20%, if your income is in 20% bracket, you are getting 25,000, and that 20% means 5,000 you are getting the tax benefit.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello. Sir, there is a disturbance of voice.
please unmute. Please don't disturb.
5,000.
If you are giving a donation of 50,000 rupees,
Yeah.
you are getting benefit of 50%. Means if your salary say 6 lakh rupees,
Yeah.
you are getting 25,000 will be reduced from your 6 lakh rupees. Means your
Okay, sir.
your income is 5,75,000 rupees. If you are under 10% bracket, you will say the 2,500. If you are 20% bracket, you are say the 5,000 rupees. Like.
Okay. And what about 12 AC?
12,
AC.
12, what? I'm not.
12 AC.
35 AC. 35 AC. Company. 35 AC section, sir.
It is 35
Income tax.
AC. 35. There are a lot of benefits you will get. There are a lot of deductions. From 80G to 80 you get the deductions. And there are 35 many sections for a different object. You are talking about the trust or you are talking as an individual? If you are
Talking about trust.
talking about the trust, no?
Yes, sir.
For talking about trust, there is 12A is the there. Now it is AB.
Yeah. 12 A.
You are as a talking as a trust. You are get the benefit
Yes,
of
sir.
full of your income will be exemptions. If you are getting
Yes,
a
okay,
registration
sir.
of 12A.
Yes. And
But
what
you have
about
to,
yeah, sir.
you have to this is they are postponed from 1/4/21. Otherwise, you have to every year you have to renew your certificate. They are started now, and again donation should be you have to upload online. If you are as a
Okay.
trustee of, I am talking about the as you are a trustee of trust, you have to upload your donation all receipts to online, and on that basis your donor will be get the benefit. Like
Okay, sir.
26
Thank
years
you.
you are getting the TDS benefit now. Like this,
TDS.
your donor will get the benefit. Now it is no any on the basis of receipt they cannot get the benefit from 1/4/21. Otherwise they are implemented in October due to COVID. They are postponed.
Yes, sir.
For
What are
getting the
the
80G, you have to take the registration of 80G and 12A both. Otherwise you cannot get the income tax benefit. You are not getting the 12A registration.
okay? Recently, what are the charges of renewal?
This is new system, but there is no one is started because they are already postponed to 1/4/21.
Oh no, they have said that you can renew your ATG and 12A.
That is postponed. It is actually October is the but they are postponed up to 1/4/21.
So what are the charges of this renewal?
Charges we will discuss, madam, because if you want to
Okay, sir.
contact me,
Okay.
we'll discuss.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any queries you have another 5 minutes. There will give the feedback
Sir,
of 5 sessions those who are attended. Give a 5 minutes. We have any two those who are attended all sessions. What the benefit you are getting for these sessions. And one more announcement. Next coming Sunday we are launching our books at the 6 p.m. So everyone should attend because there are a lot of chief guests also coming for our launch of book. Our Know Your Balance Sheet will be launching in the coming Sunday. So please attend everyone and also spread the message. There are also very good interesting sessions also there on our books. So please attend everyone. If you have any queries relating to today's session, you can ask. We have another 5 minutes.
Sir, I have joined late. Can you just brief about the investment opportunities, current investment opportunities?
Sir, current is real estate is very good opportunity. If you're having a liquid fund, also you go for some mutual fund and shares also. You always make the bifurcation of your portfolio, for you cannot go in one portfolio.
Okay. Sir, are you providing financial planning services?
We'll give the advice, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have associations, so you can get the professional advice also. And for taxation point of view and other, now we will give the guidelines.
Thank you.
Any one share of the 5 sessions, those who are attended, what is the benefit you get from this session? Yeah, madam.
Sir, request, can we get recording of 5 sessions?
I will share in a group in one space.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anyone about the 5 sessions, those who are attended, any one session, 2 sessions?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Are these investment benefits are liable to the old properties, like old flats, 15 years old?
Which benefit you want, sir?
The interest is reduced, you said.
Yeah,
and
also the. But 15 years, there are a lot of bank will giving, sometimes not giving the loans. You check which area you are getting.
Mhm. Okay. And sir, one more question.
Yeah.
Say today is interest rate is around 7 to 8%, whatever is there.
Yeah.
But next year or maybe after 2 years that may change.
Yeah.
Or that will be fixed for complete recovery period.
Yeah, if you change, because what I suggest always you go only loan for 50%, so not 80%, 75%. If you're having a liquidity,
Mhm.
go for you can get the benefit. Don't depend on the loan.
Okay. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you.
We have another 3 minutes. Anyone want to share the feedback? You can share the last session's feedback.
Hello,
We have decided-
Hanuman sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a wonderful sessions that you made today. We like that session.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What we are decided, we are every Thursday. Now, this is the 5th day sessions. Today is the last day. Every Thursday and Saturday we are taking. If you are this coming Thursday, we have taken the session. We are not taking session immediately the Saturday. We are taking next Saturday the same session, because most of my clients from the MIDC area, they are get the benefit of Thursday, and some IT company they get the benefit of Saturday. But means weekly one session, one Thursday and one Saturday sessions we are conducting in future for giving the knowledge to the all our my clients and my colleagues. So coming Sunday we are launching our book. Please join everyone. I'll share the message in group also and spread the message. It's very wonderful sessions. We are sharing what is the importance of books, why should you read our books, and to whom it is benefit. This books is very good one. We are also giving 50% discount on launch day. We are sharing the link of payments also. If anyone want to book, you can book on that day. You will get the 50% discount. We shortly even get in Amazon also. But we'll now, if you are book the book, you along with your address, we'll send by courier to your place. It's very good book. Everyone should read. It's very made for only for the entrepreneurs and businessmen. Entrepreneurs and accountants. It's very useful book for everyone. You have to read once, and it's very good book. It's a totally practical book. So we advise to read this book, and we are sending on that day link also for purchasing, and we are giving 50% discount for first 100 people. If you have any query, we have another minute, 1 minute. We'll meet otherwise on Thursday on a new session. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, and you share your feedback. Any queries
Thank you, sir.
we are allowed immediately.
Thank you.
To 9, you can give your feedback and queries for all
Great, great.
5 sessions. In another 2 days, we'll share all your this one sessions recordings. Thank you for joining. We'll meet again.
Thanks, sir, for giving your valuable time.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Anna?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. We'll meet on Thursday again.